So audience, today with me here is one of the best student and very talented girl with me, and actually she has completed here 8 days only, and within 8 days she has learned how to make sentence, how to make question, how to give answer. And now I will ask to her rapidly routine life question and she will give answer in speedily. So let's see her performance. Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Okay. What is your full name?
My full name is Pranali Rajesh Awad.
Where do you live?
I live in Shiroda.
In which standard are you studying?
I study in 7th standard.
In which school are you going?
I'm going in Guruvarya Avi Bavdekar Vidyalaya Shiroda.
Okay. What do you want?
I want ice cream.
What do you want to become?
I want to become a software engineer.
Very good. What is your aim?
My aim is I want to become a good citizen of India.
What is your strength?
My strength are my parents.
What is your weakness?
My weaknesses are my tension and my anger.
Okay. Which place do you like most in Shiroda?
I like Shiroda beach.
Okay. Have you gone in mall ever?
Yes, I have gone in mall ever.
Which is your favorite dish?
My favorite dish is kachori.
Which is your favorite food?
My favorite food is veg.
And who is your best friend?
My best friend is Trisha.
Okay. What do you want?
I want ice cream.
Acha. Okay. Next, who is your favorite actor?
My favorite actor is Ameya Wagh.
Who is your favorite actress?
My favorite actress is Vishaka Subedar.
Can you tell about her?
Yes, Vishaka Subedar is very talented, intelligent and very comedian woman. She is work in Maharashtraची हास्य जत्रा in Sony Marathi. She is partner of Samir Chowgule is Maharashtraची हास्य जत्रा work, and she is looking very nice. And I like Vishaka Subedar.
Acha. What are your hobbies?
My hobbies are drawing and painting.
Painting. Okay. In which work are you interested?
I am interested in hard work.
Okay. Can you tell me about your father?
Yes, my father name is Mr. Rajesh Awad. My father is teacher in high school. My father is give me whatever I want. My father is calm nature person in my family. My father is love me and I like my father.
Okay. Nice. And what does your mother do?
My mother is housewife.
Can you tell me about her?
Yes, my mother name is Mrs. Asha Award. My mother is also happily and smiley. My mother is not shout on me. My mother is take care to my family, to me, to my father. Then I like my mother.
Okay. And who is your role model?
My role model are my parents.
And how many members in your family?
3 members in my family.
How many brother and sister do you have?
I don't have brother and sister.
Do you play chess?
No, I don't play chess.
Okay. And which game do you like most?
I like Kho game.
Acha. Okay, Pranali. You have given your best and you have given rapidly answer, and it was a very nice performance, and I know you will talk fluently in remaining English speaking course period. Okay. And so audience, you can watch this video again for your better understand, and you can also make practice this question for your basic English improvement. And now we will meet with new video. See you again. Bye.